Hey everyone, Jace here with a snack food review! Today we have Reese's Pieces. Looks like this is in a retail type box. It's very large. So you can tell. Here's all the nutritional facts. And this tells us how to set up the box for retail and such. So, display goods from back end. We're not retailing, we're actually opening. So how do we open this up? Oh, here it is right here. Lift here to open. You mean stick my finger in and do that? Okay, we do that. This is like a little tutorial. Now, how do we open? Alright. Well, let's see here. Let's read the back again. So stick your finger in there and lift to open. So lift here to open. Well, how easy is this going to be? I can't even open that up. Well, we're just going to have to do a little bit more of an approach to this. Well, let's take ourselves a pipe wrench and we're going to open this up. I'm not going to waste my time on it. And this channel is basically for humor anyways and entertainment. Oh. For those who don't know, I use these as nutcrackers for pistachios. So, yeah. Okay. If you can't open up, just use a pipe wrench. Okay, so here we go. So this thing lied to us. We weren't supposed to pull this out, but I thought you would. You're supposed to rip that out. It looks like we get ourselves some individually packaged, but I don't like that. Let's rip that out of there too. So the box opening wasn't too impressive. I think you're supposed to rip this part off. Don't worry, we already took ourselves a thumbnail. So, how many of these do we get in this box? Oh, it's an 18 count. So I guess this is supposed to be where you display it on the store shelf like this. As long as you got the logo in the front. So, let's open one of these up and see. 210 calories. Oh, that's not too appealing. Okay. So, looks like we get our typical. I only see a couple of brown ones in the bag. Bags seem like they're pretty full, about half full typical. Let's see how these taste. And yes, these are crunchy, so definitely taste the peanut butter in these. Now I get really addicted to this type of candy. It tastes fresh. Still got an imprint on my thumb trying to open this up. So, honestly, not a bad find to find these in whole. So if you're a retail establishment, and even if you have like a small business or restaurant, you can just put these there and sell them. Pretty good. That's the Reese's Pieces retail pack.